Today we're going to take a look at a really popular style by Raquel Welch, one of the classics, one of the favorites. This one is Crowd Pleaser in the color RL924SS, which is shaded iced cafe latte. All of the details coming up. This wig style was sent to me by Wig Studio One so I could review it for you today. Check it out. All you have to do is go below the video, expand the description box. There will be a direct product link there. If you click on that link labeled Raquel Welch's Crowd Pleaser, it will take you out to the site. You can see all of the colors and the pricing. We invite you to shop at Wig Studio One. If you have any questions for us, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. And don't forget to visit us on our private Facebook group called the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. So let's dig right into this style. I have reviewed this style before. I've always enjoyed it. The Crowd Pleaser is a short little polished, stunning, softly waved bob style. It's just so appealing. But first, let's talk a little bit about this color real quick. Shaded Iced Cafe Latte RL924SS. So what you're going to find is a cool toned medium brown. And then that is going to be highlighted with a beautiful neutral blonde. In certain light, and on certain applications, those highlights can look a little bit warm, but it's not enough to make this a warm color. And it is a soft shades root. It's really easy to forget there's a root there because it's only slightly darker than the main body of this color. It's absolutely stunning, isn't it? This display of the highlights just really pick up on the front and brighten up the face. So that front piece is around 6.5 inches. Right off of that lace front. Now I'm about 6.5 from hairline to chin, so that seems right to me. And then overall, I'm going to say it's around 9 to 10 inches in its full length. It features an extended lace front and left monofilament side part. And it's really lightweight feeling on the head. This is made from the True to Life fiber by Raquel Welch, so it is heat friendly. Now, all I did was take this out of the box, give it a couple of shakes. I had to make a maximum adjustment to fit my average or petite average circumference at 21.25. The adjustment that I had to make to this was exaggerated. I had to pull those and crisscross those Velcro adjusters just to get it to be stable on my head. So this particular Raquel Welch on this particular piece does tend to run a little bit on the average large side. So more or less a typical Raquel Welch fit in my opinion. There is a lot of permatease here. You're going to find permatease all around that monofilament part. At the crown, definitely at the back and the nape. And it all goes to support this style. So it's just a polished, elegant, beautiful bob with some soft barrel wave. So it's sort of smooth until you get about halfway down, then you're going to start to see some of that barrel wave. So that permatease there just gives some permanent lift to those curls. That way you don't have to restyle it all throughout the day. It gives a nice full look at the bottom. It still has some beautiful swingy movement. So here we have a lace front. You can definitely pick up on that highlight application as it's run right up to that lace front. It runs temple to temple and there's no exposed seams. It's absolutely sheer and blends with the skin tone. Fine knotting, which is consistent with the fine denier of this fiber. And you should be able to get the illusion of scalp all the way back to the crown. Definitely. So it's not too thickly threaded. You can definitely see through. So what can you do here? You can really pick and fluff your way to some really nice, bountiful curl and volume. And just with the heat of your hands even, you can customize that. So if you wanted a bit of a smoother look, just with the heat of your hands, you can make that work. See how easy that was? So you can pump it up or you can smooth it down. Inside look at the cap for Raquel Welch's Crowd Pleaser. There's a temple to temple lace front. It does not extend back into the ear tab. It moves seamlessly into a left monofilament side part, a closed velvet ear tab, nice sturdy stays, a standard nape with the Velcro adjusters. Notice the exaggerated adjustment just so it wouldn't move around on my head. This is not considered ideal. I think this would be best suited for average to average large. So the great part of owning a style like this is the versatility. You can style this until your heart's content. Whatever you're in the mood for, you can make that happen. Just remember, if you take heat to the style to style it, you're going to have to use heat to restyle it. And it would be very hard to get back this original curl and wave. Glasses fit beautifully between the ear and the ear tab on this style. I feel like this is a nice glasses friendly style because there's not a whole lot of permatease right at the ear tab. The permatease is more up on the temple area. So I'm just going to go ahead and move this hair around for you, do a few styling maneuvers so you can get to know it better. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you again real soon.